Hey everybody! I'm here today to do a full review and quick demonstration of this camera right here. This is actually the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 instant camera. And in this video review and demonstration, I'll be going over the features and functions of this awesome product with you. Let's get right into the video. So I actually just got this camera fairly recently, a couple of days ago, and I sort of used it a couple times, and I absolutely love it. So I got it to take some sort of fun pictures with my family that we could post on the fridge. So I got it, so basically if we were in a situation where we're doing something really fun, I could get the camera out, take a picture, and then we can put it on the fridge as a memory. And then we could place all these photos in like a memory binder or memory folder. And it's worked really, really well for that, okay? So first and foremost, let's take a look at the look of it. As you can see, it's hard to tell because honestly of the poor lighting. I'm filming this early in the morning on a rainy day. The sun really hasn't come out yet, so I do apologize, but this is the best lighting that I could create. Usually the sun is out at this time, but today because of the rain, it's still really dark outside. Like it's 7:56. It's almost 8 o'clock in the morning, and usually the sun would have been out, but it's really dark right now. So this is the best that I could do. But as you can see, it actually is a very, very simple camera. Very, very small form factor, really, really easy to use. There are literally two buttons to deal with. One button over here and another button over here, okay? Really, really simple and straightforward. There's a viewfinder on this side over here. There's the backing over here that you can open up. Don't worry, I don't have any film in there or else I would overexpose it. It just looks amazing and it feels amazing too. And it comes in a variety of different colors, different fun colors. I got the blue one here. Originally, I wanted the black one or the white one, but they're actually both sold out. So I just decided to go with the blue one over here. But it comes in a wide variety of different fun colors to choose from, and it is super easy to use. So literally, like, you basically don't have to read the instructions. You can, and I did read the instructions because I wanted to do tutorials with it, but you basically don't have to read the instructions. You essentially put in the batteries over here. There's a battery compartment over here. So you put in the batteries, and it came with those batteries right there. So once the batteries are in, it's pretty much ready to use. You literally turn it on with this button over here. The lens extends out, and then when it's ready to use, you just push this button to take a picture. I'm going to turn it to the side because the flash is going to go off. Okay, as you can see. Now there's no film in there, but that's basically how you use it. It also has a built-in, well, obviously you put the cassette in over here. So you put the cassette in over here, the cassette of film. Now, the prices of the film cassettes are not the cheapest, but you're not going to use this like all the time. It's going to be a novelty item. You know, like I think I paid $10 for 10 pictures on a cassette, right? For 10 pieces of film on a cassette. So it's like $1 a picture, but at least when I bought them, and that's Canadian dollars that I'm talking about. But you know, you might be able to get them for cheaper depending on where you go, or more expensive. But either way, it's not going to be like, you know, you're not going to take these pictures like a digital picture where you just keep snapping. You're going to make sure it's worth it. You're going to make sure it's worthwhile. It also has a selfie mode. So when you pop this out over here, if you pull the lens forward, it activates selfie mode, which basically just allows it to focus a little bit closer, and then you can turn it off like that. And it prints instantly. So after you take the picture, it prints out from here, and you have your photo to use. Don't shake it, just take it out and place it on a table and let it develop. And it develops over time. It's really, really cool, really, really easy to use. And that's basically it. That's my review of this instant camera, the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 instant camera. It's awesome, and I just wanted to review it with you throughout this video. If you like this video review, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.